G'day and welcome to Starting from a Point, Part 4.2. Part 4.2 will continue on from 4.1. In Part 4.1, we started from the point in the straight edge. In this part, we will be demonstrating adding new pairs at an inner pin. We do not put the thread over the pin as that will leave a large loop when you remove the pin. We do, however, slide the new pair open under the workers before putting the new pair up to the inner side. Cross stitch the workers through the passives before adding 2 twists. Cross, twist and cross, cross, twist and cross. Add 2 twists to the workers. Do whole stitch with a twist with the second worker pair. Cross, twist, cross, twist and twist. Put up the pin between the passives and workers and tension. Cross stitch back through the passives, cross, twist and cross, cross, twist and cross. Tension, add a twist to the workers and put up the pin. Add the new pair under and around the weavers, cross stitch through the passives and add 2 twists. Whole stitch and twist and put up the pin. Cross stitch back through the passives, tension and add a twist and put up the pin. Add the new pair under and around the weavers. Cross stitch through the passives, whole stitch and twist, put up the pin. Cross stitch back through the passives, tension and add a twist, put up the pin. Continue in this manner until all the inner pairs are added. Let's switch across to the left side and repeat the process there. Cross stitch through the passives, cross, twist and cross, cross, twist and cross. Add 2 twists to the weaver, remove the temporary pin and whole stitch and twist the 2 worker pairs together. Cross, twist, cross, twist and twist. Put up the pin between the weavers and passives. Tension the weavers and cross stitch back through the passives. Cross, twist and cross, cross, twist and cross. Tension, add a twist to the worker and then put up the pin. As before, we are adding a pair. Lift up the workers, bring up the pair, link it in and lay it aside. Cross stitch through the passives, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Add 2 twists to the workers. This 2 twists causes a gap between the passives and the straight line at the foot side. Whole stitch and twist the weaver pair and put up the pin. Tension and cross stitch back through the passives, cross, twist and cross, cross, twist and cross. Tension, add a twist and put up the pin. Repeat steps 1 through to 6 until the new pairs have been added. Bring down all the new pairs and work the body of the lace. Thank you for watching these tutorials and I hope they prove useful in your lace making.